In this video, I'll show you how to set up Mint Mobile 5G home internet so you can get online quickly and get the best Wi-Fi performance at home. What's in the box? This is your internet starter pack, everything you need before you start plugging things in. You'll find 5G gateway, power cord, windowsill bracket included with certain models. The gateway works as both your modem and Wi-Fi router. Step 1. Find the perfect spot. Placement matters for performance. Place the 5G gateway near a window. Keep it close to a power outlet. A second floor is even better, if available. Avoid big appliances and other wireless devices. Give the gateway some space so it can do its thing. Step 2. Plug it in and power up. Plug the power cord into the gateway. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. Press the O button on the panel to turn it on. Wait for the gateway to connect. Note: the gateway is connected when you see signal bars. You don't need full bars for strong performance. If you see a prompt to download the T-Life app, you can ignore it. Step 3. Connect your devices. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or other device. Look for your new Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi name and password are printed on the gateway. Select the network and enter the password. You should now be online. For more details, check the full support guide linked in the description. Already using Mint Mobile 5G home internet or thinking about switching? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more setup guides from Tekzoid.